Hello everybody, my name is Baruch and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be using a paintbrush tool that I really like on Krita to create some rolling hills. I made a tutorial for this type of thing a while back, but yeah, I figured I'd do something like it again but with a little bit more quality. I hope you enjoy. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and do consider subscribing. The link to join my Discord server is, as always, in the description section down below. Once again, thank you for watching and goodbye.